folks, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to show you our latest yard sale find and we're going to do a makeover on it. Here it is, cute 3-drawer dresser, $25. But it has a few problems. The drawers, they don't want to pull out in and out smooth. The middle drawer is rubbing, so I'm going to pull these out and we're going to fix it. Okay, so you can probably see here, this drawer is rubbing and then it falls off its track. See, this channel is worn out now. I've got to add some width to the top here so it sets on that rail. Even if it moves sideways, it can't fall down. So I've got these incredibly tiny brads. They're so little you have to hold them with a needle nose plier. You want to put 4 in here. Now I'm going to take these all out and I'm going to wax the rails and the bars. Okay, so first I went in here and I sanded the rails. Now I'm taking this paste wax and we're going to get it nice and slick, shiny, so we can slide. Then we're going to do the drawers. It's never worked like this. Now because I'm going to paint this, I want to scuff up the old surface. So some of the beading here is loose and I tack it back on. And then there's some spaces and cracks and I'm just going to use a latex caulk and fill that in. This will dry nicely in an hour. So we're going to use a brush to get in this millwork. And because we're going oriental, we're going to go red and then we're going to have some black and gold accents. See, these columns are fluted. This is called a corner roller. The pad is on the end of the roller as well as the side. So you can get in a corner with it. It's lightweight. I'm going to link a lot of the things I'm using today for you that I highly recommend. Now we're using latex, so it's a little thin. And we'll probably need another coat. We're not worried about that because this roller lets us buzz right along. There's one drawer. I want you to be able to see how this roller follows the contour. Well, we've got the second coat on now and hopefully you can see the difference in the richness in the second. And we're going to wait for that to dry, catch up, and do our stenciling. Okay, we're dry and we're ready to stencil. So I wanted to show you this, and we're going to link this at the bottom of the video off of Amazon. This is a set of stencils under Martha Stewart brand. Okay, so we're going to get going on that, and I want to get this on both drawers using a stencil brush. You see how it's kind of round and fluffed. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we've measured this centered and down a bit, and I want the same bird on top. I'd like to add some branches over here. Not all of them. just this bottom. Do that again. Now I'm gonna take my detail brush and finish this how I want. Touch up with this pure gold from Folk Art. I'm going to take this fan brush. Now you'll start to see why I chose this fan brush. It's because of what it does for you. Now we're gonna dabble this with the sponge and get our final look. Okay folks, so if you like this content and you want to see more, share and like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.